Welcome to our next episode of My JGBS Story. Today, I would like to introduce you to a special guest. The word is special because she indeed is very special. She is none other than Kimaya Jain from the class of Integrated BBA Honours plus MBA 2023 batch. A brief introduction I would like to give before we start our today's podcast to know further about the journey of Kimaya. Kimaya was born in Guwahati, then Kimaya moved to Dehradun. From Dehradun she moved to Gurgaon. From Gurgaon she moved to Jaipur, and finally in 2023 she started her journey in OP Jindal University at Sonipat. So Kimaya, you are in your third year of your program. How is your journey until now?
Journey has been great. So I do think that moving around a lot helped me shape myself and who I am, meeting new people. So that way I feel Jindal has also been great because I could interact with a lot of people, meet new people, and have a very safe space to learn. Having a very open-minded community here with me to help me understand how life is and how I can achieve so much more.
Friends, she strongly feels that moving from place to place, meeting new people had helped her a lot into adjustment to this new life. Am I right? But Kimaya, at the same time, I believe after few years you were changing locations, correct? So making friends is not easy. Am I right? It takes some time, and by the time it used to happen, you used to move to a new location.
Of course, I do agree that it's difficult in the start, but now I can confidently say that I have a friend from each part of India and some from even outside. I'll always have them. I just need to maintain that. And now in the age of social media, I think it's much easier to connect to people.
Absolutely.
Keep in touch with
You are absolutely right. I passed class 12th in 1997. There was no Yahoo, there was no Facebook, there was no WhatsApp, there was no Instagram, there was no LinkedIn, there is no Snapchat. You have everything, guys. But what you need to learn is you need to maintain good relation, which Kimaya mentioned just now. Okay, Kimaya, my next question to you is, what inspired you to go for a course like 5-year integrated BBA plus MBA, and why not a BBA?
I was like every other 12th grade student, looking at colleges, courses, making pros and cons list. Then I came across this IBM course. I realized that only a handful of colleges were doing it at that point, a few IIMs and then Jindal, of course. So that way I kind of researched about it. I realized that it's a very unique course because it's giving me the foundation of a business, and then it's also transitioning into a very advanced learning and practical setting of how a business can be. And for me, I was not very sure about what I want to do. It's either I want to start something of my own or join a business for a few years or even join my family business. So that way, I thought it would be a great course for me to understand what I really want, and it also gives me a safe space because college is a place where I can fall down and get up and start something new. So that way I thought this course would be great for me.
Wonderful. You know, Kimaya has used some words very beautifully to explain the program that, you know, it's a journey. In journey, you have to fall down, you have to get up. And therefore, it becomes very, very important to understand the program. And she feels she has done her research beforehand that made her confidence. Am I right? So Kimaya, I learnt that you are an alumni from Maharani Gayatri Devi, which we commonly called as MGD, right? So MGD Jaipur is a very renowned school in the girls' schools fraternity, and I have some amazing alumni from them. My question to you is, what background of subjects did you come from?
I did pure commerce subjects, business studies, accounts.
Commerce, because when we ask commerce, we generally divide commerce with maths or without maths.
With maths.
Commerce with maths. So I think in your class you would be surely having some students without maths also.
Yeah, and there are students from humanities as well as students from science background as well.
So you mean to say there are all background of students in your class. What is your total class size?
It's around 55 to 60.
Okay.
At the moment, 2 new people came into our classroom.
Okay. So friends, it is very important to know that this program of integrated BBA Honours plus MBA has one section of 60 students. But important point to note here is you have students from humanities, you have students from science, you have students from commerce, with maths, without maths, PCM, PCB, PCMB, all deadly combinations are available. And what I feel from Kimaya is you don't have to fear if you are from a non-commerce background, right? Do you get ample of support from the faculty if the students are there?
The faculty is amazing. Plus, I feel the structure of the subjects that are coming every semester. For the first few semesters, we only got a foundation of all the subjects. From basics, we were learning everything. So that way, it's easy for students to understand and connect, and later on apply it to more business-related subjects.